Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 2-star hotel. In this hotel, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Check-in time in this hotel is 12 p.m. Check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. If you have stayed in this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. For booking or your more details about this hotel, please read description box. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel and not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friend, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.